Okay, the recording is on.
Mhm.
Okay, let me create a new file which is day 4. Okay, and we are going to learn. Okay, we are seeing casting, right?
Mhm. Yeah, we learned typecasting too.
Yes, okay. And all right, so we will see how to find if a given string is palindrome or not. Okay, so we'll see about doing some modifications, printing strings, okay, applications on strings, okay. 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 So what is string? Yes, it
Mhm.
is surrounded by single quotations or double quotations. Okay.
Mhm.
So let's just quickly go through string. It is anything which is surrounded. Okay. Anything which is surrounded. Okay, with you know single quotations or double quotations. For example, this number is 10. Okay. This if you surround it with double quotations, this becomes string. It becomes string. Number becomes string. Okay. Number 10 becomes string. Okay. So you can do that. Okay. It is used, to comment. Okay. So in Python, it is used to comment. Now look at this. Okay. This is a string. Okay. We commented it. Okay. It's not a part of it. Okay.
Mhm.
Understand? And string can be, printed, you know, okay, anything that you want to print, hello, that goes, print function. Okay. Okay. And then, like you can do many things in it. So we'll just jump to string array part. Okay. So string
Mhm.
is like acts like array. Okay. String
Mhm.
acts. Hold on. Okay. So string acts like an array. Okay, so meaning what? It's a group of characters. It's a sequence of character. It's a
Mhm.
sequence of
Mhm.
letters, numbers, letters, numbers. It can be anything, symbols. Okay. So
Mhm.
meaning what? If you have string name, okay. For example, if you have name string, okay, and you put it in here, your name, let's say Poonam, and then if I want to print like letters, okay, separate letters, let's say I want to print this n, okay, then what I will do, I'll do print name of, so these square brackets, in square brackets I have to print the position of n. So your n starts, let me give a little bit spacing in here. Okay, for indexes. So P is at 0th index. Okay, letter O is present at 1. Another letter O present at 2. Then 3. N is at 3. And A is at 4. And M is at 5. So this is like how it is indexed in, name. All letters are present at these positions. Okay, 0, 1,
Mhm.
2, 3, 4, 5. It's like array. And in array, the letter, array starts with the position 0. Okay. So if I
Mhm.
want to print n, I'll just put 3 and I'll get the output as n. Okay. So this I will get output as n. So you can, print by going through loops. Okay. Let's see in action. Okay. So let's
Mhm.
put name is equal to, you can input the name. Okay. Let's input the name, enter your name, and then you need to print third position later, okay, in your name. So third position later, I'm just putting it in here, third. Okay, so if I just run this code by saving this file, Okay, clearing the terminal. And see, it is asking for the name. Okay, if I
Mm-hmm.
give concepts, okay, enter. See, third, 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is C letter. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
if I rerun this code, and this time I give, you know, okay, Vishal. So at third index, I have H. So 0 is V, I 1, S2, okay, and then H3. You understand? So it's
Mm-hmm.
printing the third position letter. Okay. If I want to, like print my name without using print function, I mean letter by letter I want to print, not as in complete. Okay. So what I will do, I will use for loop for X. Like each letter will be X present in the string. Okay. So in name. Okay. So how it works, let me tell you. Printing X. So what is happening, seeing here, detail. Okay, let me put comment in here. Let's assume I have my name contains, okay, let string VISHAL, and X will be, see what I'm saying, for each value, each letter will be X in name. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so initially it will be pointing to V. Okay, then it is
Mm-hmm.
printing that V letter. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so in output I'll get V. Then after printing it, okay, after printing it, it will go to, it's a pointer. So, it is moving to I. Okay, so it is pointing to I now. So after pointing to I, it is printing that I letter. Then it is moving to S.
Mm-hmm.
It is printing S. It is moving to H. Then printing H. After printing, again moving to next letter A. Printing A, moving to L, printing L, moving to next, it's null, and then it stops. When it's null, it's empty, it stops. So this is how it prints all like complete name. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So here we go. Here we say printing later at position 3. Okay. And this is printing all letters using loop. Okay. So it's a for loop that we are using. Let's comment this code first. And now let's clear this, save this file, clear the terminal, run the code. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we have here, oh, we don't have name assigned. Okay, we need to, copy this and paste it in here. Okay, see, name is undefined. So save this, clear the terminal, run the file. See, it is asking for name. So this time we'll give, okay, it's mark. So see, it's printing all letter by letter. Okay, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, and let's say I want to print it on same line, not on new line. Okay, then you have to do one small change in the print statement. You have to say end is not slash n, but end is a space. Okay, slash n meaning default is slash n. It's print after printing m, it goes to new line. After printing a, it goes to new line. But I'm saying override that. Okay, so end should not be slash n. It should be end should be space. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So now what we'll do, we'll clear this screen. Okay, output screen and run this code. Okay, I am again giving I'm giving Peter now. See. Okay, because of this space, additional space I'm giving you. If you don't need the space, you just remove it. Save this. Okay, run the code. If I give in here, okay, okay, sorry, not in here, here, okay, I'm giving here Nina, enter, see, no space in here, okay. If you want comma in there, okay, like after each word, okay, let's clear this. Let's rerun the code, okay. Enter here, this time we'll put your name. See, like after each letter there is a comma, okay. You understand how to print a name?
Yes.
Okay, so let's print the string by index. You know the string has index, okay. So let me just copy all these as well as comment that whole thing, okay. Okay, let's do copy and paste, printing all letters using loop while or by index, okay, by positions, okay,
Mm-hmm.
by indexing. So here you know that these letters have positions. Okay, like V starts from you know V starts from position 0, I 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So last letter is at position 5. Okay. So I have to point this x to 0 initially. Then x will become 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4, and then 5. You understand? So
Mm-hmm.
we need to assign values, to x. So how to do that? You are not using for loop now. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you'll be using while loop. So how to do that? Initially x is 0, like I said, x is pointing, to v, and v is at position 0. So I have to keep this value in x. And now x is 0. And what I have to do, I have to, say x is less than, 6, not 5. Actually, if you do, 5 no, then it's not going to print L.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? See, x
Mm-hmm.
less than 5, meaning when x becomes 5, it will be false. It's not printing L.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So that's why we need to say x is less than 6. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So this is why. Why x's value is less than 6. Okay? Till then you continue. Continue doing what? Printing x. If you print x, okay, it will not print letters. It will print value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, why? Because your x contains, yes,
Number.
values. Understand? So let me, oh, this will go in infinite loop. Okay, because we did not increment x. Okay, this is very important in the case of while. If you're working with while, that first increment. Okay, let's rerun the code. It is asking for name. Let's give the name. It's uh okay, you want. Okay. See, it's printing positions 0, 1, 2, 3. But what if I want the position values? Okay. Position later. So I have to put this x inside the name
Mm-hmm.
of square bracket. Understand? Now this
Yes.
time it is going to print name. So let me clear this, save this, run this file. Okay, so your name. Okay, I'll put Yuan. Okay, it's printing all names. See, okay, but it is also saying that index is going out of, okay, out of, see, index out of range. So the range, see, what is happening here that, this Yuan later doesn't have five letters. See,
Yeah, I
Vishal
get.
has, you understand,
Yeah.
Yuvan. Okay, it has only 4. So you have to say 5. Okay.
Yes.
To solve this problem, we have library function though. Okay, I'll tell you that. See, let me run this. So if I give Yuan, it's printing all lines. Okay. But if you want it on the same line, as usual, you put end is equal to, okay, I'll give some space, then clear it, run it. Okay, see, I'm putting here again Yuan. See, you got it?
Yeah.
But this time, if I run this code, okay, clear this, run this, and I'm running it for short name, okay, like say CR, okay. Now say it's giving again error because every time like every name I give, it has like counting of, the length of the string is different, you know, length of the name is different. So how about, we use here, like not, we don't use constant value. We find the length here, okay? The
Mm-hmm.
input of, okay, the string. So alien function and put name inside that, it will return you the length of it. So length will be, size.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, size equal to alien name. So this size contains how many letters present in the name. So that you directly use it in here. So let's save this, clear, run. See, now this time I'm going to provide Sia name. It's going to print Sia. If I rerun this code, I put Yuan, it's going to print Yuan. See, no matter the change in size of the string, okay, it's working for us. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you explain this program now? What we have done?
Yes, we are running the while loop and running it with the index of the array, and we're giving the starting value of the index 0 and just going
Here.
by the length of the
Oh,
array. And we are, while that is running to the length, it's just printing each value of the array.
okay, very good. Can we do reverse printing? Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, can you tell me the code? Okay, if I'll just type it in here. Okay, so let
yeah.
me comment it. Okay, this is another program, reverse printing. Okay,
Hmm.
reverse printing. Okay, just tell me.
So you can switch the x, we can initialize with the length of the array.
Okay, very good. X is the length of the array. That is
And
name. Okay, we have to take the input now. Name.
yeah, yeah. I was just switching
Okay,
the
so
loop.
then length of the name is our X. Okay,
And
then
then while x is greater than 0,
very good.
then you print uh,
Print
name x.
name of X. Okay,
Yeah. And then end it with space or not. That's up to you.
okay, then
X is equal to x plus 1.
okay,
X minus 1, actually.
okay.
X is equal to x minus 1.
Yeah, I will do that. Okay, but still there is a problem in this.
The x needs to be so x initialize with length minus 1.
Okay, very good. Why? I'll
And
explain it. See, let's
and
take an
then
example here. Okay, you
the
have you
the
have a
last
name
one,
here. Okay,
while is equal to x greater than equal to 0.
okay, very good. So you fix all the issues there. Okay, see, name is Poonam. Okay, we'll take your name only. Okay, okay, okay. Now here you see we are assigning indexes now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you want to start from what? You want to start x from 5. Now, why you don't just use x equal to length? Okay, because length returns, okay, how many letters are present?
6.
Okay, it returns how many letters are there, okay, in name. Okay, so
Mhm.
it returns what? It returns, 6. Okay, if for example, okay, if Poonam is the name, then it returns 6. Okay, but if x's value is 6, that is a problem. See, x's value we want 5, not 6. But alien returns value 6 because it is counting letters. If it counts letters, it will return 6, then x's value becomes 6. And your x is, okay, pointing to 6. And at that position, we don't have anything. So we have to set it one position before. So we have to subtract, -1 in here. You understand?
Yeah.
So that's why we do in here x minus 1. Sorry, this one, length, and finding length minus 1. So 6 minus 1, now x is 5. So our x is now at 5. Okay, is 5. So we are doing, like reverse. So we are going reverse. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 towards 0. We are going towards 0. So we are always checking, is it greater? Is it greater than 0? Is it greater than 0? Okay. And then when it reaches 0, it should not stop. That's why we are putting equal to 0. Okay. Say x is 5. Okay. 5 greater than 0. Okay, let's put it greater than 0. 5 greater than 0, yes. Printing that later, okay. The letter is M. You got it? And then it is going, okay, doing minus 1. So x becomes 4. If you do plus 1, it will go next. Okay, so it will become 6, but we want to make it 4. So that's why we're doing minus 1. So x becomes 4 now, it will print name of 4. Okay, first check condition. 4 greater than 0? Yes. So again printing that letter A. Okay, and then again doing minus 1. So x will become 3. And then 3 greater than 0, this condition again true. So name of 3 will be n. Okay, and then it will do go reverse. So it will become 2. Is 2 greater than 0? Yes, it is greater. So it will again print name of 2. Name of x is, O. Then it will become 1, x minus 1. Here it will become 1. It will check condition 1 greater than 0. Yes. So it will again print that name of 1, which is O. And then again becomes, doing minus 1, it becomes 0. So now say 0 less than, see, 0 greater than 0 false. But we actually need this value. So it's not printing. Oh, it's printing only Manu. It's not printing P. It's because we have this wrong condition. See, it stops at 0. It should not stop at 0. So we say minus 1. Is it greater than minus 1? Okay. So 0 greater than minus 1? Yes. So it's printing name of 0. Now this time it will print P because of this value we change in here. And then it becomes minus 1. See? Okay. And minus 1 greater than minus 1 is false. Okay. And here we have the output as Manoj. Okay. Let's print it. Let's save this. Okay. And then clear this and run the program. See, we put here, it says Manu. If we do, run this program again, and this time I give different name. Okay. We give here Ivan. Okay. So you see it's printing reverse. Okay, we can do
Mm-hmm.
one program on this. Okay, printing reverse, we can find palindrome.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Do you know what is palindrome?
Yeah.
Okay, what it is?
So the reverse and the reverse string is all equal to the original string.
Okay,
For
so when
example,
you do the reverse string, it is same as the original one. So creating application, that what you need to do, you have to take the input, okay, checking the string is reverse. So we are doing, see, there are other ways to check that also in Python, okay. There's a function, library function, but we are not using library function for now, okay. Our logic will be strong if we, do this code manually. So this is a reverse code, okay. So I'll just copy and paste, okay. So reverse, I will, create a name array, okay, name string. So you have to then check it with this one, okay. So you need to put it in here. So name of x and
can you
one
give me
more.
1 second? I will be back.
You can check it. You can create an array, but we haven't seen array yet. So we will make it simple one, okay. We'll just do. Okay, we'll just copy this one. Okay, let me explain you what we are taking two indexes. First index, we point it at first position, and another index will point it at last position. Okay, and we will check step by step. X later, X position later, and Y position later. Is it same? Okay, so we'll do comparison in here. Okay, so we'll just set Y is equal to length. Okay, we'll just set it here. Y is equal to length minus 1, and this is X. X will be 0. Okay, there are two pointers. One is pointing to first letter, and another pointer is pointing to last letter. Okay, and we'll check now. Okay, here we'll say Y, and we just say Y greater than, okay, greater than X. Okay, because see what is happening, X is going forward, Y is going, okay, reverse. So this is going next number, so this is Y is 3, then this is X, and this is 3. So when they crosses each other, no, X and Y, when they cross each other, it should stop. Understand?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Okay, that's why I put this condition, Y greater than X. Okay, so in this one, I'm doing, see, Y equal to Y minus 1, because Y is going reverse, and X is going, okay, X is incrementing by 1. Okay, X is moving forward, and Y is moving reverse. Okay, so this is okay now. We have to just here not printing, but I want to check, are they equal? If name of, okay, Y, name of X is equal to name of, Y. Okay, and we have to check if it's not equal actually. Okay, the reason that we are checking it's not equal, as soon as we find it's not equal, we break it. Break meaning come out of this while loop. Okay, don't check it for further. See, first letter P and last letter M is different. Why to check other, other letters when only the first one and last one is not matching?
Mm-hmm.
So here we put one flag. Okay, it's a found one. So if it's a 0, okay, it's a initially set it to 0. So it's a palindrome pal. Okay, so it's
Mm-hmm.
a let's say it is set to 0. Okay, default value is 0. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll make it as 1 and then break.
Mm-hmm.
That is not a palindrome. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
because when any letter it is not matching, okay, X position and Y position later, it doesn't match, then this will become 1. Okay, so we use this value to know that is it, palindrome or not palindrome outside the while. We cannot print it inside. Why? Why?
We
Because
can,
for every letter it will start printing. It's not palindrome. It's not palindrome. It's palindrome. It's palindrome.
yeah,
We don't want that. So we are having one variable. We set it to 0. If it doesn't become 1 in here, okay, that means all letters X, Y positions, they matches. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
And now what we do, we check if pal is 0, we say it's a palindrome. If pal is 0, we say it's a palindrome. Why it's palindrome? Because
Because you
if it
can
didn't
break.
match, if it didn't match in a loop, okay, then it would have become 1.
Yeah.
The X and Y position letters didn't match, they're not same, then it would have become 1, and no, then 1 is not 0, understand? So when
Yeah.
every letter at X and Y position matches, okay, equals, in that case, this value will never become 1. Okay, so let's
Mm-hmm.
print in else. We say print not palindrome. Okay, not palindrome. You understand?
Yeah.
Let's save this and run this. Okay, clear this first. Okay. Now, if I put here, madam, okay. So it says madam, and oh, it's not, why it's not printing? Okay, okay. All right, I got it. Here we didn't comment this code, okay. Let me comment this code. It's executing the previous code. Okay, in here, let's clear this and run this. Okay, so I'm putting here my name, okay, into your name, madam, okay, it says Palindrome, okay, it's working. And if I put another name in here, let's say Poonam, okay, it says not Palindrome, it's working, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
understand? So
Yeah.
it's time for you to do practicing, okay? So
Mm-hmm.
the session will be active, okay? Session will be active. You need to rejoin the session. I will give you access, okay? For
Mm-hmm.
today's session, this much is enough, okay? And we
Mm-hmm.
have seen string handling, okay? We have seen one application on that, okay? Palindrome application. Please do
Mm-hmm.
practicing. So I'll end this session. You please rejoin the session, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So
So
let me
do you
stop
want me to?
recording, please, okay?